Welcome back to Natasha's Healthy Living, where we are nurturing wellness naturally. One of the ways that I like to do that is by using healthy bath and body products from Jordan Essentials, which is a company out of Nixa, Missouri. We just celebrated 25 years. I am a consultant, so I'll have my shopping link in the description box down below. And each month I like to show you what comes in that month's surprise box called the Joyful Jordan box. So I have the June 2026 Joyful Jordan box that we'll take a look at here. It is $30 for the box. It's guaranteed to have at least $40 in products, and these are going to be unique products that don't come in the regular catalog. And if you sign up for a subscription, it'll automatically ship out each month and you get free shipping. So without further ado, here is our June box, and each month these are a little box of awesomeness. And they come with a seasonal theme, and the products change each month. And like I mentioned, they are unique to the box, so they're not something that you can get in our regular catalog. So if you're kind of new to the world of Jordan Essentials, or you're wanting to try some of our Magnesium products, this is a great thing to try because you're going to get a little something different each month. So this month, the card which comes in each box is based on the summer theme. So it says Summer Vacay or Staycay, the self-care way. It is essential. And on the back of each card, it'll tell you what comes in that month's box and how to use it. So this month we have an Island Glow theme. The first item we'll look at is the Island Glow Leave-In Conditioner. This is a 3-ounce bottle. It's exclusive to this box. So we have a couple of other leave-in conditioner options in our regular catalog, but not in this Island Glow scent. And the Island Glow is coconut, mango, and peach. And it says lightweight formula is designed to detangle, hydrate, and add a natural shine without weighing your hair down. It helps strengthen and revitalize each strand while reducing breakage and boosting softness. Your hair stays smooth, manageable, and beautifully healthy all day long. And to use it, you're just going to spray or apply evenly to damp hair. Do not rinse, and style as usual. So this is a really fun one to try, especially if you like our coconut mango peach Island Glow scent. I use the curly version of our leave-in conditioner because that works great on my curly hair. So the regular leave-in conditioner like this one is great if you have straight or just wavy hair. And I think they work really well. So that's something fun to try if you want to just check out what our leave-in conditioners are like and try it in this new exclusive scent. Island Glow is not in our regular catalog. That's just something we've had a few items in over this course of May and June so far. Maybe we'll see it some more in July, we don't know. So that's kind of fun, you get that exclusive scent. All right, the second item is the Island Glow Shea Body Butter. This is a 4-ounce tube. I love our body butters. They're so emollient and rich, but they don't leave your skin feeling greasy or slick because all of the ingredients are really healthy, nourishing, and they just soak right in. So it says, perfect for dry hands and any areas craving extra hydration. This thick, nourishing formula leaves skin soft, smooth, and comforted all day. Island Glow transports you to the beach with the scents of coconut, mango, and peach. How to use, you're just going to apply to very dry skin on hands, feet, or elbows for extra moisture. And I'll just show you really quickly what our shea butters look like. So they are going to come sealed, and take that off. I like keeping the 2-ounce tubes in my purse, and it's going to be a really thick and rich lotion. So you don't need much, a little pea-sized amount, and you can see just how thick that is. But the beautiful part is it's just going to soak right in and leave your skin feeling soft and hydrated and nourished, but not having any kind of slimy or slick or greasy feel because we don't use any ingredients that cause that. That feeling is usually caused from things like mineral oil, and we don't use mineral oil. All right, the final item, I had to take a second to smell that. Oh, that smells really good. So you can see that's a really nice, it's soaked in. My skin just feels hydrated and moisturized, and I've got that really fun Island Glow scent. All right, next we have the Hydraglow toner. So we do have a Hydraglow toner that comes in our regular catalog, but it's in a 3-ounce bottle. So this is a little exclusive travel size. And if you haven't used it before, this is a nice little trial that you can just give it a try and see what you think without investing in the full-size bottle. So Hydraglow toner in the 1 ounce. This is an easy to carry on the go spray, hydrates, softens, and preps skin for what comes next. Powered by tripeptide and magnesium to help skin look refreshed, smooth, and revitalized. So this is our special version of magnesium. I don't remember what MAP stands for. I need to look that up. But that's a way to get magnesium in your products for your face. It's a finer molecule, so it soaks in better. And to use it, you're just going to spray on dry, clean skin and let dry, then follow with serums and moisturizers. And if you've never used a toner, the purpose of a toner is to balance the pH on your skin so that whatever you put on afterward is going to work better because the pH is balanced. So after you've cleansed your skin, it's great to use the toner to help everything work better beyond that. And I like having the little spray because it's just a really quick and easy, no mess way to apply it. I usually spritz my toner on, brush my teeth. By the time I'm done with that, then I can move on to the next part of my skincare. So that's everything that comes in our June Joyful Jordan box. And like I mentioned, it's $30, and this one is valued at, I think, $43. So you're getting a really good deal on that, and I will have everything linked below if you want to shop that. And then let's move on and I'll show you some of the other specials that we have for the month of June 2026. So each month we have a customer special. It's an exclusive item at a special price. So this is our Mintilicious Magic. It's our Peppermint Pedi stick. So right now in June, we do still have our spring gift guide available, and there is a collection of peppermint items in there for your feet. And the only thing that's missing is the Pedi stick. So I'll show you what this is. It looks like a lip balm, but it's actually a beeswax lotion. So you can use this, I mean, you can use it anywhere on your body. Of course, it's going to have that peppermint essential oil, which smells great. So of course that's going to feel really good on your feet. It's great because it's made with beeswax. So beeswax helps to seal in your body's own moisture and protect your skin. So if you have dry heels, dry feet, if you get elbows and knees that get really dry, this Peppermint Pedi stick can be good for that too, because besides moisturizing, it's going to help seal and protect your skin as well with that beeswax. And I love the peppermint on my feet. It always feels so cooling and refreshing. And this is a great little pocket-sized stick. And I believe, does this one come? I don't think this has magnesium in it. I'm just double checking. No, so this one is just the beeswax. It's got coconut oil, safflower seed oil, castor seed oil, apricot kernel oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, and then the peppermint essential oil. So it's a really nice, easy one to carry around with you, or keep it at your bedside if you want to put it on your feet before bedtime. And the way the deal works with the customer special is that when you spend $5, then you get that item for $5. When you spend $50, excuse me, you get that item for $5. So anytime your cart totals $50 when you go to the checkout process, then it'll trigger, do you want to add the customer special for $5? So that's a really good one. If you've never tried any of our lotion bars, this could be a way to kind of try out that lotion bar idea, because this is basically just a mini lotion bar in a stick. Or if you've never tried anything in our peppermint essential oil, we have a really nice peppermint that's not too strong. It's just a really refreshing blend. I like it a lot. So that's a good one to try. Then we have a special if you decide to host a party. So when you host, you could be hosting in person, you could do a catalog party, you could do something online on Facebook or Facebook Messenger, or you can even just do a text party and just start a little group chat, and everyone gets a few text messages with info and then your special shopping link. And then after the end of the party, when you check out, you as the host get a bunch of other free and half-priced items to choose from, but you'll also get this host special. So I have one of the two items that come in it. This is the Happiness Essential Oil Hormone Harmony Blend, and you're going to get this 4-ounce shea butter. So we just launched Happiness Essential Oil Blend in the spring catalog. It has lemon, lime, blood orange, rose, ylang ylang, and clary sage, and those all work together to brighten and lift your mood, to help balance hormones. So it's a really nice blend. And the shea butter is that same rich emollient shea butter we just looked at, and you'll have that blend to either, use as an all-over lotion if you want. This would be great to do after the shower at night, or just keep it around for your favorite hand lotion. But besides that, in the host special, you also get a 3-ounce spray of the Happiness Essential Oil Hormone Blend, and that is going to come in a witch hazel base and then have those essential oils blended in. And if your party is $500, you'll get that duo for only $5. If it's an $800 party or higher, then you'll get it for free. So that's really fun, just to have that extra, duo of special things that you get as the hostess, and you can add that to your cart with all the other goodies you're going to get. Free products, half-priced items. There's lots of great reasons to be a host. So I'll have information down below for that as well. The next thing we'll talk about is our Join special. So if you are curious about Jordan Essentials, one way to learn more and try the products is to actually join my team. So you can become a consultant. It's $49 when you join, and you'll get a kit that we'll look at in just a second. But part of your bonus for the month of June is that when you join, you also get a trio of our hair care system. So it's going to be our shampoo, our conditioner, and our hair mask, and you get those as a free bonus item set in your kit when you join. You'll also get your own personalized website link, and then all the digital tools that home office offers. And then of course you'll get connected with me and my team, all the other people on my team, and all the support and guidance that we can offer too. So I just want to show, we've got our Joyful Jordan box. You can kind of see the size. And when you join, you're going to get a starter kit. I don't even know if this will fit on the screen, but this is your starter kit. So this is going to be quite a bit larger, and it's going to come with all kinds of good supplies for you. I don't know if you can, whoops, I don't know how well you can see that, but definitely a much larger kit. So for $49, you'll get your starter kit. It's going to come with this cute floral bag. And inside the bag, you're going to get a booklet to help get you started. You'll have some catalogs, so these are easy to pass around to people and share all about Jordan Essentials. And then you'll have a collection of products. This is pretty much it. Sometimes it changes a little bit month to month, but you're going to get some of our best-selling products to try out. So you'll get our Magnesium lotion, some of our face care line in the new Hydraglow collection. We've got some of our shea butters and a lotion bar. You'll get samples as well. So you'll get one of every magnesium stick that we offer in a sample, plus all the different Bath and Body Care scents that we have available, and even some of the other face care scents. So this is a really amazing collection of products that you're going to get to try and share with others. And for $49, you can, check everything out, see what you think. You have 3 months before the $10 website fee kicks in. And so once you've joined and been around for 3 months, then you'll just pay $10 a month for your website fee. But you get 25% off all of your products. So anytime you purchase something, whether it's for you or for a customer, you're going to get 25% commission, and you can use that money right away. It goes into an e-wallet, and you can instantly transfer it to your bank. So that's one of the things I love, is that it's really simple and easy, and I know that all of my products I'm getting that 25% commission on. And of course, anybody who shops on your website link, then their product purchases go towards that too, and you get an instant 25% commission on their purchases as well. So that is everything that I wanted to share with you for the month of June 2026. So you have your host special, you have your join special, of course the Joyful Jordan box, and our customer special of the Mintilicious Magic Peppermint Pedi stick as well. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get in touch with you. And otherwise, check out my links, and have a great rest of your month of June, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.